Hello, this is Steve. What I saw today, this is a new house, 12 years old. This has a radon mitigation system that was obviously installed at new construction. You can see this access portal, which is rather unique. They have a cap on here, so you can reach in to test the radon suction actually. I want you to hear, you can hear the sucking of the air down there. There is a lot of movement of air. Now, of course, the way this works, if you look way down there, you can see the air is being pulled in from the drain tile around the circumference of the basement. And then the last thing is we have our manometer here, which tells you that there is actually airflow and suction in the system, which is working.